In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier to Softr. First, head to Zapier and sign in. From your dashboard, start a new automation by selecting Make a Zap. Think of a zap as a simple pipeline. Something triggers it, and then something happens in response. Giving your zap a clear name now can make it much easier to maintain later, especially if you plan to build more than one. Next, choose where Softr fits into your workflow. In the Zap Setup screen, search for Softr in the app list. Decide whether Softr should be the starting point or the destination. If you want Zapier to react when something changes inside Softr, pick Softr as the trigger and choose an event like when a database record is added or updated. If you want Zapier to send information into Softr, set Softr as the action and pick what you want it to do, such as creating an app user or creating a database record. The choice depends on whether your process begins in Softr or in another tool like a form, a spreadsheet, or a CRM. When prompted, connect your Softr account to Zapier. Click to sign in and follow the on-screen authentication flow. Make sure you authorize the correct workspace and that you have the necessary permissions to perform the actions you selected. If your organization uses different environments, double-check you're connecting the right one before continuing. Now map your data. This tells Zapier exactly which information should go where. If you're creating an app user in Softr, map all required attributes from your trigger data to the corresponding fields in Softr. If you're creating a database record, align the fields from your trigger source, such as a form submission or a spreadsheet row, to the matching columns in your Softr database. Pay close attention to field types. Dates should map to date fields, numbers to number fields, and so on. Using sample data in Zapier helps you see real values as you map, making it easier to spot mismatches early. Before going live, run a test. Trigger the event and watch Zapier process it. Then check Softr to confirm the data arrived or the event fired as expected. If something doesn't look right, adjust your mappings or selected fields and test again until the result is clean and complete. Once your test passes, turn the Zap on. From this point forward, it will run automatically based on your trigger and action rules. Keep an eye on your Zap history in Zapier for the first few runs to make sure everything stays in sync. And that's it. Your Zapier and Softr connection is up and running.